morning, sir. We will discuss the golden rule of effective management. So, by the way, I am Isabel Beroy Sidron.
And I am Justin D. Esquida. I am John Maris Imisinga.
I'm Nerboy Perez.
Balsamo Christian Ralph, sir.
And I am Jatter June Cabrera.
First is be consistent. This is the first rule because it applies to most of the others before your management approach can be effective. Be consistent, you must reward the same behavior every time they appear. Discourage the same behavior when they appear and treat every member of your team with equal level behavior. So, ngani sa be consistent is first step ini siya para effective ka as a manager. Tapos sa imo member sub dapat equal ang imo pagtrato. Kung unoy performance nila, dapat walay favoritism na may tabo. Dapat equal lang ang pagtrato sa imong mga subordinates. Second is focus on clarity, accuracy, and thoroughness communication. How you communicate to your teammate can dictate your eventually success. When relying instruction, recapping meeting, or just doling out company updates, strives the clarity, accuracy, and thoroughness of communication. This goes for any medium, whether that means in-person communication, email, or phone call. Clarity, accuracy, and thoroughness are the best way to avoid miscommunication and keep your team on the same page. So, ngani sa second is kung ano nimo pag communicate an imo team is mag-dictate ini siya ng mag-dictate ini siya ng success sa iyo company. Just for example, giving an instruction. So dapat ang instruction ng isa ka manager is klaro o accurate para ang iya subordinates is maka-perform sila ng ila mga trabaho na dili sila magkalain-lain ng mga trabaho o dili sila magka-misunderstanding. Whether that means in person or email, phone call. So whether sa personal nimo instruction or sa email, dapat gid gihapon is accurate og klaro para dili sila malibog kung unoy buhaton. Dapat simpage lang sila ng ila buhatonon.
So, good morning, sir. Third, set the goal of working as a team. If you want your team members to work together, have them work for something together. Setting goals just for lay department or one individual breed unlimited mentality and forces team members to remain isolated. Instead, give stopper a unified focus and purpose to inspire them together. So ini is set a goal and working together. So adisir ka mo magtrabaho is dapat may iyo goal o dapat yaon sa bang iyo teamwork para successful ang iyo plano. For example, gaplano ka mo ng maghimo ng project. So dili pwede na isa lamang dapat ang maghimo. Dapat kamo tanan as a team or as a member para matapos ang iyong project. That's all. Thank you.
So, good day, sir. So, I am Isabel Beroy Sidron. So, golden rule number 4. Publicly reward and recognize hard work. When a member of your team does something exceptional, reward him or her with a bonus, a small trophy, or even just a vocal recognition. Do this in front of the group, it will make the intended recipient feel good and show the rest of the team that hard work is rewarded. The only caveat goes back to role 1. Be consistent in your reward so you won't be seen as playing favorites. So, sa golden number 4 is, ikaw na leader is, pagtanaw nimo na yay mo membro na madayaw mo trabaho, hatakan mo siya ng reward or pasalamatan mo siya sa tubangan ng imo mga ka grupo or ka team para ma-encourage ba imo team na mahimugnan madayaw na pamatasan or madayaw mo trabaho. Golden rule number 5. Be the example. As the manager and leader, you should set an example in terms of your behavior. If you show up late, your team will be less punctual. If you lose your temper easily, others will be amiss in keeping their emotions in checks. Strive to be your own ideal of the perfect worker, especially in front of the team. So, as a leader, dapat ikaw ang mahimo na role model or example. Dapat magpakita ka sa imo group or team na madayaw ng pamatasan para haudong ka nila. For example, yan mo sayo ka pag kato sa office kay para ami sa bila haudon.
Golden rule number 6. Never go with one size fits all. Your team is comprised of individuals with unique preferences, strengths, weaknesses, and ideas. Never use the exact same approach to motivate, encourage, or mold all of them. Focus on individuals and customize your approach to fit each one. So, ang pasabot nga di, mga subordinates ay mga iya-iya na mga idea. So, as a leader, kinahanglan dili lang tong isara imong pamatian. Kundi imo bansay-bansayon kung okay ba siya, mo fit ba siya sa imong mga plano. Di lang kung isa yung pamatian, kundi pamatian sa dimang tanan para mukaom siya para ma-achieve din niyo ang iyong goals. Golden rule number 7. Remain as transparent as possible. Transparency shows your integrity as a leader and build trust with the individual members of your team. If you lie about something or withhold information, you could jeopardize your relationship and respect you command as a leader. So, ang pasabot nga di, as a leader, kinahanglan ani mo pagsalig sa imong mga membro, yaong gayon. O kinahanglan dili kaw mamakak o dili lang yung basta-bastahon. Dapat ikaw na leader, dapat responsible ka o tinuod gid nimo mga kuan sa ila. Kay kung imo na lang basta-bastahon, sige kang mamakak, ang mga subordinates nimo, mga membro nimo, basta-bastahon na sab ka og what else na respeto sa imo as a leader. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. So this time I will continue the topic about golden rules effective management. So my number is number 8. So encourage all opinions and ideas. The more people you have actively participating in discussion and attempting to make improvements to the organization, the better. So kung damo kuan gitawag nila na makipag-participate sa imo na uno yung tama na imong mga tauhan, so mas damo niyo ma-gather na information. So never chastise a team member for voicing an opinion respectfully, even if it goes against your original vision or isn't will tough out. Cutting someone down for voicing an opinion builds resentment and discourage people from sharing their own thoughts. So kibali and nga din sa number 8, kibali imo mga subordinates, uno yon imo mga tauhan as a mag-manage as a manager, imo sila kibali kayaton na ang ilang mga opinion is or idea ilaong sa imo. So imo sila paghagda na mag-istorya sa imo, imo sila tagaan ng way na para makistorya sa imo, ang mga para kibali dili sila mahadlok og comfortable sila makikistorya sa imo, o na maglaong sila ng nang magkibali mag share sila ng ila mga idea. So og mas dayo sab ang team niyo kung ikaw na as a mag-manage is kibali imo sila tagaan ng respectfully na mo istorya sila sa imo og dili nimo sila pag-istoryahanan mataro og imo kusganan mga boses para as a your team para actively sila gid makig-participate sa imo. So mga tips is ibali ang tips nimo na angay buhaton as a manager sa imo mga team. So imo sila pamatian, tagaan mo sila ng respeto sa ila kada idea, imo sila lang una mamati ka gid sakto, imo sila kuanan imo sila pasagdan na ang ila ipanlaong para ma-participate o mo-participate sila og actively gid ang iyo team. So pasalamatan sila sa kada magkuan sila mag-share sila ng idea o mangutanan ng mahinahon unoy madayaw na idea ug angay niyo buhaton og ngadto siyempre para ano imo team mas mo kuan sila mas mo trust sa imo imo sila tagaan ng area na madayaw na kibali mas comfortable sila na area para mag-discuss or mag-share ng idea. Kibali imo sab sila tagaan ng respeto ug imo sila imo sila dili nimo dayon husgahan or mo interrupt para mas mo saalig sila sa imo as a mag-manage. So number 9, help people enjoy work. So you don't need a pool table or dress code abolition to make work fun. So you can make the work day more enjoyable with such new elements as surprise lunch outings, a dedicated break room, or even just casual conversation with your workers. Help your people enjoy coming to work and I'll do their best for work you. So kibali sa number 9 yan imo mga imo mga tao is imo sila tabangan ug imo sab sila ang ila trabaho is imo sila tabangan ang mga tao na imo ug ma-enjoy nila trabaho. So nga ko nga is dili mo ano imo himuon is himuon sila na imo sila mag-provide ka ng komportable na lugar sa ila sa ila pagtrabaho. Dili mo kinahanglan ng mga mahal na mga bagay para sila malipay. So ano imo ang himuon niyon is kibali may iyo achievement, bisan simple na achievement imo provide ng sorpresa para ang imo mga team is mukuan sab sila mas mo trust sila sa imong pagsamot ug mo feel comfortable sila. So bisan ginagmed ang sorpresa kapag kung malipay ang mga tao sa imo sa trabaho, so mas madayo gid ang nila performance kung sila malipay sa imo na as a managers mag-manage ng kuan. Ang imo himuon is imo sila tagaan mo komportable, imo sila pahalipayan para sila actively gid sila makig-participate. Among gitawag na among gitawag na help people enjoy work. Kibali imo tabangan imo tao na ma-enjoy sab nila pagtrabaho ug dili sila dali sila ma-stress sa ilang trabaho. So ang mga tips maghatag ko ng mga ginagmay na surprise sa dito gilaon ko na pag ma-active mo bisang gamay na goal, pag ma-active pa mo imo sila tagaan madayo na mga kibali surprise or basta yung ihatag nimo sa ila kibali award o kibali medyo imo as a manager mag-manage para mas musalig ang mga kuan og mo search ng idea. Imo sila kibali ikaw tama na maging pakalaibigan tangandog mag-usap na makikistorya ko na natural Kibali imo sila tagaanan no way na mo komportable sila sa imo o sa area na maka-share sila ng idea. O para mas mo komportable sila, maghanda ng mga simple na mga activities. Pag magkuha ng mga simple na activities to pag maka-achieve sila is imo sila tagaan ng reward din bisan gamay na kuan yung pag-achievements iyo i-celebrate para as your team mo kuan sab sila mo feel comfortable sila ug mas mosalig sa imo. Amo rin po. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I'm Nilboy Perez, and my topic is listen and ask question. If someone doesn't agree with your management style or doesn't like the direction of the company organization, don't silence the person. Listen and ask question of your entire team. What do you think of this? How do you feel about that? This open dialogue makes it easier to proactively identify problems and work together to create a mutually beneficial environment. It will also make your employees feel appreciated and acknowledged. And you'll notice these rules leave plenty of wiggle from to apply your own personal brand of leadership and management. They stand as fundamental truths, considerations, and principles that govern an effective management rule rather than a strict instruction manual to success. Stay true to these principles, and in addition to your own, and you'll unify your team in a rewarding and enriching environment. Meaning sa listen and ask question is, if someone na wala maka kuan sa imo kuan pag-manage or disagree sa imo pag-manage sa iyo company, dili nimo lang una pagpuyo, ibali lang nimo shut up or ignore nimo. Instead na lang nimo listen carefully to what I'm saying and mag-ask ka ng question to para ma-understand mo or ma-understand nila ano mo thoughts or ano mo feelings, and ano mo encourage na para ma-open ng conversation as para sa whole nimo team, and para amay maka-help na ma-discover ang problems early, fix issues together, and create the workplace where everyone feels valued and respected.